a Muslim man has more than one wife, should he keep them in one house or separate? Let's try to understand that using Deen-wise. First, Islam allows a man to marry more than one wife, but only under very strict conditions. The Quran says in Surah An-Nisa verse 3, "Marry women of your choice 2, 3, or 4. But if you fear you cannot be just, then only one." The key word here is justice. A man must treat all his wives equally in food, clothing, time, respect, and care. Now what about the living arrangement? Should wives live together in one house or separately? Islam does not give a fixed rule. Both options are allowed, but there are some important points to understand. If they live in one house, the husband must make sure that every wife has her own private space. No wife should feel ignored or humiliated. He must divide his time fairly and treat them with kindness. However, living together often creates jealousy, arguments, and tension. For this reason, many scholars say that keeping wives in separate houses is better. It protects dignity, gives peace, and reduces conflict. The Prophet was the best example of fairness. He had multiple wives, and he gave each one her own home. He would visit them in turn, and none of them felt left out. This shows that having separate houses is more in line with justice and compassion. So the conclusion is simple. Islam allows both arrangements, but separate houses are recommended because they maintain harmony and protect rights. To understand more deeply, check out Deen-wise.